Okay, greetings once again, and welcome to another session of Defensive Shipping and Logistics training. As you can see, Defensive Enterprise is a shipping and logistics company. We have so lot of services, so many services that we run, but in here I'm going to talk only about the shipping and logistics. We do both the China and then the Turkey shipping. We do both the air and then the sea. Okay, so we do shipping from China to Ghana and Ghana to China. That is Turkey to Ghana and Ghana to Turkey. We do procurement service, both China and Turkey. That is if you want me to be your agent and then ordering the goods for you and all that. We do payments of RMB also, if you, in case you want me to make payments on your behalf to your suppliers and all that, port clearance, etc. We do a lot. So in case you want to contact us, you can reach us on any of our contact. That is 0540 777 154 and then 0246096319, as well as 0540 0201 524621. 0201524621. Okay, this video is going to be a very short and a brief one. In case most of you who have taken part in a lot of training sessions, you realize that currently, if you are now about to log in into your 1688 or create an account, it's very hard for you to, get the Taobao account. Only that you will see when you go to your thing is this. In case you have already taken part, you know how I got to get to this portion. This is the Taobao username, okay? But currently, if you are to log in with the 1688 app, it's only going to take you a minute. Okay. It will only take you to where I went earlier. You see the Taobao account, as you can see, the Taobao account. But for you to have the details, when you go here, you can see the username is hidden, okay? And it will be very hard for you to use it to log in. So even if you have all the necessary requirements thereabouts, as you have seen in my previous video, currently it will be very hard for you to log in. Okay, so in order to have a successful login this time around, you have to leave this session, go to your Play Store, and then in the search box, just type the hot. In the search box, just type the Taobao, and then you come here. Okay, this will help you get access to the new interface or the new system. It's just a little update that the Alipay incooperation has done, and it has closed most of the previous settings that they have. So once you come here, just open your Alipay account, the Taobao app, open it. Once you open it, there are certain settings that you have to follow. Here is just the setups, okay? Some minor setups that we are going to do here. Very brief, and then you are good to go. Just accept it by clicking on the orange long bar. Wait for it to load. Now, once it loads like this, wait. It's going to show you more. You see, the down here, at the bottom here, there is what? At the bottom here, you could see the option here is asking me to set the app. Okay, it's asking me to set up the Alipay, the Taobao account app. Okay, so I'll just click on app, and then once I click on it, it's asking me to log in with the Alipay app, as you can see here. Initially, before you get the Taobao account, you first and foremost have to have the Alipay app. So you have it installed on your phone, and then you go back, and then after creating your password and everything, then you go back and then you click on what? You go to the Play Store to download the Taobao app, and then once you get to this session, please don't first and foremost click on the login with the Alipay, but at the bottom end you will see accept terms and condition. Okay, click on it to accept first at the bottom as I have marked it. So after marking it, then I come and click on the long thing, which is to open it with what? Alipay. So once I click on it, it will go and open my Alipay app, wait for it to load, and then it's asking me agree to use your Alipay account for quick login to Taobao. Taobao will obtain your login status. Just click on agree and wait. Now, once that process is done, it will take you back and forth. It will be combining the two apps. Now, it has taken you to this session. Just click on accept, continue, continue, and then wait. Now, the app has loaded again, but this time around, it's not asking me to log in, which means it has successfully logged in into the Taobao account. It has successfully logged in into the Taobao account. And already as a student of the Fancy Enterprise Shipping and Logistics, or DFE Shipping, you already know where to locate your account details. So you click on the Me logo at the bottom line down here. Once you click on it, it will take you to the account page. Wait for it to load. Now at the top here, you could see that your account details is what? At the top here, starting with TB655. So you just copy it, write it somewhere. In addition with your what? In addition with your Alipay. So in addition with your Alipay what? Account. Yeah, sorry for that. So once you have your account details here, you just copy it, and then with addition with your password that you've created on the Alipay app, you just go back and then you use it to log in into your 1688 app. So in short, this is the new method of how to obtain the 1688 login username, which is the Taobao username. Thank you. In case you are meeting me for the first time, I'm in the person of Afoloho Francis Jr., the CEO of the Fancy Enterprise Ghana, Shipping and Logistics. We are into shipping and logistics as well as a lot of other services. When it comes to the shipping and logistics, we do both the air and then the sea shipping. Okay, so we are the Fancy Enterprise. We do printing of t-shirts, crest, fashion designing, decoration, skills training. We train in a lot of services. Okay, so in case you are meeting us for the first time, you can get in touch with us, and then we will have you sorted out. As you can see, we are experts in t-shirts, crest, crop, customizing, banners, flyers, booklets, fashion design and decoration, event planning, 3D epoxy installation, training and installation, graphic designing, network marketer, copywriter, trainer. We train in a lot, okay? We train in all the digital courses, okay? If you want to learn graphic designing, you come to us, we teach you. If you want to learn SMS, cartoon animation, bulk SMS, shipping and logistics, a lot, all the services. If you want to learn skills trainings like how to make production of liquid soap, shower gel, bleaches, and all those things, you come to us, we can have you sorted out. So that is all for now. Thank you.